everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to open Excel workbooks in new windows with Office tab. In this section, I will show you a handy application, Office tab. With the open in new window feature of Office tab, open workbooks in new windows is not a problem anymore. After installing the Office tab, open the workbooks you want. Click File and select your workbooks. And then you will see all workbooks are opened in an Excel window as tabbed browsing status. If you want to open a specific workbook in a new window, please right click this workbook tab and then click open in new window in the list. Then the selected workbook is opened in a new window, as you can see. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.